Okay, let's do our first project. So I have this folder over here. The first thing we need to do is go to the TUNET folder. And over here, we have this config template. You see over there. And then you need to choose between if you want to go simple or advanced. For now, let's do simple. And then I'm going to do an advanced video later on. So this is all you need for the installation. It's good to move this to your project so you can change. So this is what we need. We need our source path. This is the original plate. Our DST, which is our modify plate, and where everything's going to be training and saving it, which I like to call module. So let's do that. To speed up things, I already have in here those. So let's move that to our project here. So we copy our source plates. We copy our DST plate, so the plates that has been modified and we wanted to model to learn from it. And then I usually create a folder called module, so everything's going to be saved in this folder. So this is the one that we need to put over here. And that's all we need to do. So the source, the original plate, the DST, so the plates, the samples that has been modified, and where everything's going to be saved. Then you can choose if you want to go 512 or 1024 resolution. The size of your module, we can choose between these two, depending of how much you need, like more details, more size, all of that jazz. And then the batch size, which how much sample is going to be trained. So that is depend of your GPU, how bigger that GPU is. Let's keep 2 for now. This is it. We are ready to go. The only thing that is important is that your original plate and your modify plate, so your destination, DST, needs to be the same name, exactly same name, your frames. So you see here that I have the exact same name. This is important. And then, of course, I have it here, the longer plate too, because I'm going to be training only with 17 samples. And then what we want and the model be able to reproduce from, the longer shot without us being involved. So let's training it. So this is all we need to do. So if you go back to the GitHub, there is this line here. This is how we training it. So run trainer. Just copy. And then you paste it in here. And now you just need to give the path for the config that we have just made with the source plate and the module. With this, we are ready to go. So let's start our training it. And you see that it's starting from scratch. You see the number of steps and how much you want it to go. And it's already doing it. So if you go to the model folder now, you're going to see that we have the training log, which is basically this log. And then we have the preview, what's going on. You see that the mod is just starting. So we have in the left side, the original samples. On the middle, we have the modified samples. And then on the right side, it's what we wanted the model to be learned and generate for us, right? So that's it. This is all we need to do for now. Let's wait for the module to generate some checkpoint for us so I can show you guys. So it's going to be training here. Cool. We got our first checkpoint. So basically what's happening here now, the model is always, it's going to be, saving checkpoints, and then always going to be saving the latest one as well. So in case you have a few over here, then you still have the latest, so we know which one's the latest, and then you can delete the rest, of you can just keep working on the latest checkpoint, which is what you want, right? Usually. But if you need to go back, you're going to have others as well. All right, that's it. This was the how to use it, how to training it. The next video, I'm going to show how to actually convert your models to Flame or Nuke, or just inference directly with TUNET. So all these three options is possible.